Hello everyone, I wanted to show you how to access and use Freckle. Now Freckle will now be a daily requirement. You are required to do 30 minutes per day in math and 30 minutes per day in English, unless if I have told you otherwise. And so this is daily, this is part of a weekly grade for your pacing and your grades as well. So make sure you do this first and foremost before you do anything else for the day. If you don't do anything else for the day, please do your Freckle. So the way to get to Freckle is you log into clever.com. You're going to find this R. If it's not up here, then scroll down towards the bottom. It'll probably be down at the bottom. So you're going to click the R for Renaissance. And then once it finally loads, you'll see this little Freckle icon. You're going to click Freckle. And you always click on A cloud, not B vote. Click on A cloud. That's where you need to go. Now, if you were with Epic last year, you will have this screen. If you were not with Epic last year, you'll go to a screen where you're going to create your character, and then once you're done setting up your character, then you'll be on this screen. So once you get to this screen, if I've assigned you anything, make sure you do those first. And that'll show up in your backpack, which is right here, okay? Otherwise, you're going to go to practice. Once you click on practice, you will see math, you will see English, okay? You're going to select math if you're going to do math. Always go right here to the suggested first, okay? Always, always, always go to suggested first. So you're going to click that. It's going to show you what level you're on. This person has already been working, but then you'll click continue, and it's just going to be practice is what it's going to be. And this is showing you how to do it. If you don't know how to do this, you can click show hint, okay? So you can get a hint. So let's say I do the wrong one. That's not correct. It's going to tell us how to do that. So let's try another answer. Oh darn, that's not correct. Let's try this one. Oh boy, that one was correct. So, as you can see, once you get things correct, it will go. Once I start assigning things to you, you can actually start watching videos and lessons on how to do so. If you guys have any questions or you need any help accessing Freckle or knowing how to do Freckle, please feel free to let me know. Up here on the top right, it will keep track of how long you've done it. So if you're having to do English and math, you would have a total of 60 minutes up here of active time once you're done. Over here, you can go to the store, and so like right now, I can't do anything until I get more practice. But once you have more practice, you'll get coins, and you can go to the store and update your character and do all kinds of fun things with them. So if you need anything from me, please feel free to reach out.